Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Jakia Sultana from Tajul Islam Adarsh College, Bansarpur, Brahmanbaria. Today I am taking a class about our second paper English. That is, I will discuss about a grammatical rule, that is, no sooner had than, scarcely had when or before, hardly had when and before. You know, we can make any sentence of past perfect tense by using these kinds of structure. If we discuss by some examples, it will be very easy to understand for you. So go through the example. Okay. We write any complex sentence of past perfect tense by using no sooner had than, scarcely had when or before, or hardly had when or before. I told that we can make any complex sentence. Notice this. By using these kinds of structure, we have to make we can make any complex sentence. And these kinds of complex sentence, there are two clauses. One clause is in past perfect tense and the another clause is in past indefinite tense. Okay, look this. No sooner had the teacher entered the classroom than the student stood up. No sooner had the teacher entered the classroom. We use no sooner than had. After that we use the subject, and after the subject we use the main verb, that is in the past participle form, because it is the this clause is in the past perfect tense. There is had and there is the verb 3 or past participle of the verb. Okay, and middle of the middle between the auxiliary verb and the main verb, there is the subject. Okay, now it is the structure of no sooner. If we use no sooner, then we have to use the auxiliary verb had before the subject, and after the subject we have used the past perfect past participle of the verb. Then other words, then we have to use the word then according to the structure. Then, THAN, then. Okay, then we have to write another clause of past indefinite tense. This is the student stood up. We use this structure for completing sentence. This is a example of completing sentence. This part is done for you, and the another part you have to write. Okay, and if you know the structure, you can easily complete the sentence according to the structure. And this structure is also important for your right forms of verb, because there can be any question, any verbs to write in right forms, of verb using this structure. Now comes the scarcely had when. It is also like that, only the word scarcely is changed instead of no sooner. We use scarcely instead of no sooner, otherwise all the structure is same. one part is for past perfect tense and another part is in past indefinite tense. Below this, scarcely had we reached the stadium. Scarcely had we reached the stadium. When you use when or before as conjunction. When or before it rained. That means this part is in past indefinite, past perfect tense, and this part is in past indefinite tense. Okay. And we also use hardly instead of scarcely or no sooner. And we will make any complex sentence of past perfect tense. That is, hardly had we taken shelter under a big tree when or before the storm started. Okay. So it is also like the structure of no sooner had or scarcely had. Okay. So today that is all. We will come back soon with another class. Till then, be safe. Thank you very much.